Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Thank you.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, where are we? It is a stunning day, weather-wise. But, on a personal note, things are going downhill for me a little bit with my health. I was in hospital in January with appendicitis. And I started getting pains back in the area where I had my operation. It's been getting worse over about 3 days. So there's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to have to go back to the doctors. On my medical notes after the operation, even though I say I'm out of breath there, on my medical notes after the operation to remove my appendix, it said sepsis, and course of antibiotics and the operation. For the past 2 weeks I've been feeling a bit rough. My legs tired, falling asleep in the afternoon. Something is not right. I've got to get on top of it. So I'll make an appointment for the doctors. Beer mats, what are they all about? Put your beer on the beer mat. I've got a mate who must have 5,000 plus beer mats from the 70s. I'm going to see if I can get him to show me these beer mats.
Just had a thought. Hey, look at my arms.
Look at that.
Wow.
You see that? Right, listen to me. Right. I want to tell the viewers, I've only got a few viewers because
You're shite.
what is on this t-shirt it's got here. Tell me, now, the Smiths, we all know the Smiths. Now, this person here, he said it's something called Viv.
Yeah, Viv Nicholson.
Viv Nicholson, who won a lot of money in the 70s, yeah?
The pools. She
156,000.
won the pools.
She won the pools.
In the 1960s.
I don't know a lot about it.
1960s, you know.
Can I get a word in?
Yeah, 1960s.
She won, I don't know a lot about it, but she won 156,212
In the pools.
on the pools. Viv Nicholson. But who do you think
It's not fucking my reading, put it that way.
she looks like?
Only the uneducated would think that was fucking Myra England.
It does look a bit like her though, doesn't it? The same sort of jacket anyway.
How would you... Well, she didn't wear them jackets.
She did.
That's how women used to dress in the 60s, your mothers, your grandmothers.
It's a good shirt though.
Of course it is.
But
And I'm wearing it. I haven't fucking spoken it.
I'll be a psycho. No, if there's a betting man, I would say that's out here, not looked, would be a nameless cat. Oh, it's not here. Where is it? Oh, it's here, look. Hello. Come on then. What's up with you? Hey? What's to do? A nameless cat. But, from one of my previous videos, I've got a number of names that people suggested for a cat, so I'm going to put them in this video, numbered 1, 2, numbered 1 to 6, and I want you to vote, and I'll have to do in the comments below, put 1, 2, 3 or whatever you want, and the winner is what I'll call that cat. don't give it any more names. It's only from these 6 names. Anybody who suggests another name will be instantly disqualified. What I'm going to do next week, if I can be bothered, I'm going to design in here, across here. I'm going to put 2 flags, like a little seat, and then 2 flags on the top. I've got to repoint all this up. I'll try and motivate myself to do that next week. Also, I've got a barbecue to build, which I'm going to build here. If I can be faffed. If I can be faffed. Can't be faffed to do anything. Keep waiting. This little tree, little conifer, named Greenie, a few months ago, and it's coming on, isn't it? What about my gooseberry bush? It's there, look. Rubbish. 2-leggy. Now do I prune it back or leave it as it is? What do we do? Anybody know? Right, let's have a look at this cat. I'm going to interview him. Let's see which name it likes the best. Right, coming up here. Yes, I want to know. Right, I'm going to give you 6 names, and I want you to tell me which one you like. Right, the first name is Rhubarb. Rhubarb, no? Achoo. Achoo. Compo. Fat guts. Fat guts. Not interested in any of these. Vienna. What about Vienna? No? And the final one, Sponger. Sponger. I didn't have my glasses on there, and at first I thought it said spunker. And it's not, Sponger. Put down 1 for Rhubarb, 2 for Achoo, 3 for Compo, 4 for Fat Guts, 5 for Vienna, and 6 for Sponger. And then we'll give you a little name, won't we? Yeah, won't we? Yeah, we will. She likes me. She does. Now that I've been using these lion's mane, it's like a mushroom supplement. 2,000 milligrams. Take 2 a day. And I can honestly say, I'm not sponsored by these or anything, that it makes you feel a little bit more alert. But that's about all. It doesn't get rid of my achy legs, or my aches and pains, or my bad moods, or my moodiness. But it makes things a little bit more clear up here. Anyway, I'm scraping the barrel for this video. Scraping the barrel. Oh, come on son, get a grip. I need a shave. I need a haircut. And I need to sort this garden out. If the rain holds off, I'm going to sort this out today. It's too wet to cut the hedges and bushes. Can't motivate myself. Anyway, well I can't. Right, let's get out there. I know it's a mistake, it's spitting, but it's on my mind to get it tidied up. I'm bored. So we can just prepare the ground just for an hour or so. But I know now it's going to be a waste of time. Right, let's see what we've got here. An absolute pile of shite, that's what we've got. I'm going to clean this bit out. I'm going to build a support in the middle and a support at the end to put 2 flags on here for a seat. And I'm going to put some flags on the top, repoint all this up, tidy it up, move that pipe outside for a water butt. And just going to make it up as I go along. Right then, that's a little bit better. I'm going to cut them bits of decking when I can be bothered. Built that up, put that, brushed it, not pointed it, it's alright, it's better than it was. So just clean all this off here now. Can't be bothered to get me hose pipe out. Give it a brush. It's a bit tidier. Billy the Bodger. Put my watering can to clean the decking off. It was raining, obviously spitting. And old Mrs. Herman-Chinsky was looking out of the window, thinking I was watering my plants. She just smiled and she thinks I'm crackers. Right, not a bad day. Finished. Obviously I've got to clean that up and paint it. But I've got Wallace and Gromit there, just to brighten it up a little bit. Now my daughter gave me them. I bet you're thinking, that's a nice thing for her to do. Well, not really, because she only gave me them because it was easier than taking them to the tip. But there they are, recycling at its finest. Oh, that'll do. I've been an enjoyable couple of hours spent outside in a little bit of drizzle, but it's nice drizzle, you know what I mean, don't you? Nice. So, hang my old knee pads up. One of the best things I've ever bought, these knee pads. Or when I think back, all them hundreds and hundreds of times that I've been doing stuff in the past, struggling with my old knees, bought them off Amazon. Can't wait to nail down. Brilliant they are. Anyway, Owen, enough of this shite. Let's get in, get a shower, get some tea. Lionel Messi, Maradona, Sebco, Muhammad Ali. Proper legends. Bruce Lee, Tony Ferguson, Nate Diaz, Izzy Adesanya, R. Henry Cooper, Tyson Fury, Kevin De Bruyne. You could say pretty much legends. Not them legends you get today that have been on Big Brother a couple of times and I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. Anyway, Owen, stop going on. Get in the house. This is the last shite video until I get to Thailand. It's been fun making them. Has it been fun watching them? Put your comments down below. Probably not. Never mind. Never mind. Over and out. Right, I got a few, I think they're decent shots under here. So I've got into this part, but to get into the main park, I think you've got to pay. The world famous Coral Island.
Why you won't make me?